Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ingham County in south-central Michigan until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles southwest of Williamston to near Eaton Rapids, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for locations across southern Ingham County, including Leslie and Stockbridge. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size
Recording
hail.
this.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles.
Not roofs.
Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Leslie, Stockbridge, Aurelius, Onondaga, Bunker Hill, Eden, Fitchburg. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.
That's not good.
No. Oh. Guess we'll find out. How.
Yep. I don't think it's a double header.